Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanjay Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app that will pay $25 for absolutely free and you can withdraw money in this app via PayPal. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see a notification as soon as we upload a video. Now let's go to the video. This app name is Waste Collector. First we need to open the app. You agree to privacy and policies of this app and click on log. Then select a Google account of your choice and log into this app. Now you type the code I have given here. You can copy this code from the link in the description. When you paste code here you will get 10,000 coins for free. So don't miss these opportunities. Now they are asking if they want a tutorial about the app. I will give yes and see if you like it or say no. Okay, now let's play the game. As you can see in this app game, you have to take this truck along the road and remove the garbage. You get 1 coins for each one. You can see that you can collect coins very easily in this game. Level is nothing like that. Let's play the game for a while now. Okay, now let's see what the other things are on this side. Earn more. Earn more is a way to collect coins by completing tasks, servers, and more. Earn coins like this. The other method is to invite friends. Just like other apps, if someone gives you a code to this app, you will get 1,500 coins and 20% of the coin he earns. Next, withdraw. You can withdraw from this app only for PayPal, even if it's $25. You can withdraw from this app if you have 2 lakhs coins. You can withdraw $2 to PayPal. Okay, so that's all there is to say this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And with the hope of seeing you in other video, I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day, all of them.